shoot a saw, hope a nigga ain't know nothing. Made me slime, fucking these hoes, now we can cuffin'.
Alright, so welcome YouTube and YouTube subscribers. Scoofy here, back with another video for you guys today. So, before we get on into this video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on that notification bell. Alright? So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into the video.
Y'all put up on blue now in that drop. Y'all got with.
We're back. So it's time. We finally have it. The iPhone 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. We're gonna just go ahead and get this thing going. I'm really excited. So I pre-ordered it on the day of, and I received it on the release day. So that's pretty awesome. I need to find a knife. Not sure which one we're gonna open first, but we're just gonna see. I'm gonna start with the biggest box. So the phone I had before was the iPhone 10. For me, just speaking for myself, I kind of wanted to wait to get an upgrade because last year I didn't get the XS Max or the XS because I'm kind of done with the big phone thing. I've had big phones for quite a while, since the Samsung Notes, and I enjoyed it when everyone didn't like the big phones, but now it seems like everyone wants to have a bigger phone. So I'm kind of just off that. As long as my screen's big enough, then I'm perfectly fine with that. For me, I can't carry or hold or handle that huge phone anyway, so I don't care for it. You know, my screen's big enough, I'm fine with that. So we're gonna start with the first one here, which I picked this one up for my lady because she hasn't had an upgrade since the 8 Plus. So I got her the gold 11 Pro Max. So here is the box. It is black, which I do like that. I think that looks really awesome. So we have it in the black and gold. Box is nice. As you can see, really nice dope box. I love that it's in black. Just gonna open this thing up. Take a look. And there it is. It's got that matte finish, which is really, really nice. So it has that matte finish with the glass, and if you touch it, you can feel that matte, but it feels really awesome. I really like that. There's your 3 cameras there, which I'm going to be using. I will do a separate video just kind of comparing phones and stuff like that, but this is just to show you the unboxing part of it. That's it, the iPhone 11 Pro in gold. Now it does kind of look, it's gold, it just kind of reminds me of when they released that champagne color, so looks nice. Now the sides are still kind of like that rose gold color. So there it is, iPhone 11 Pro Max. That is a 64 gigabyte, and that is with AT&T. So there's the first one. We have mine, which I had the iPhone 10, so I like this size, so I went with the iPhone 11 Pro. Here it is, the iPhone 11 Pro in the green. This is a 256 gigabyte phone. Sorry if you can't see that, it's really dark, so my camera's not wanting to focus on that. So let's get it open. Man, I like how that box design is. That is really nice. I like that. This is my first time seeing this one in person. Ooh, yeah, that green is fire. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is really nice. You can't really tell, but I'm gonna try to get it in the best lighting so you can see it, but it is like a dark green. It probably looks like a black, but it is a green. And like I said, I will do a separate video so you can kind of see the better detailed quality and the results of it. But let's take that film off. It's only film on the front, by the way, not the back. 256. Oh, I didn't show you guys how the new charger looks. So this is the new charger, so you can charge your phone faster. USB-C to that, and then the regular lightning cable goes into your phone. So just wanted to show you guys that new update. Everything else still has headphones and cord in the box. We got the green iPhone 11 Pro, and we have the iPhone 11 Pro in gold. So that's it. That's all I have for you guys today. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and like this video if you liked it. Make sure you guys stay tuned for Scoofy Sundays because it is coming. I know I've been saying that same thing, but I promise you it is coming and it's going to be really awesome. So just stay tuned. Like this video, turn on that notification bell. Scoofy here, and I'm out.
I got too many hoes chase that bitch. I don't argue with no peon.